In this video, I want to show you how to read messages on Asset Ultra smartwatch. First, make sure that you have installed the SIM card on your Asset Ultra smartwatch, and if you have already inserted your SIM card and if you have received some messages on your SIM card, so I want to show you how to read that messages on Asset Ultra smartwatch. First, you need to simply tap on this messages app, and here you will find a list of all the messages that you have received. So if you want to read the specific message, you need to simply tap on the specific message. So here you can see I can see the 2 messages that I have received from the UFone. So with the help of this process, you can easily see the messages on the Asset Ultra smartwatch. If you want to delete the message, you need to simply tap on the 3 lines. Now here you will find the delete option, so simply tap on the delete if you want to delete the message. So with the help of this process, you can easily see the messages on Asset Ultra smartwatch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.